Welcome to Oven Foods. Today we are making a classic breakfast aloo paratha with a soft flour dough and a flavorful spiced potato filling. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for starting the day with a homemade breakfast. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup flour in a mixing bowl, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything well. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Mix and knead until you get a soft, smooth dough. Aloo paratha is one of the most popular stuffed breakfasts. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest while we prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Half teaspoon mustard seed. Half teaspoon cumin seed. Half teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon salt. Stir the spices briefly so they become fragrant. Now add 1 tablespoon chopped onion. Cook until the onion soften. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Potatoes make a soft filling that blends beautifully with warm spices. 1 chopped green chili. 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well until the spices are evenly combined with the potatoes. Now cool the filling completely. Take a portion of the dough. Flatten it gently. Now place potato stuffing in the center. Bring the edges together and seal the filling completely. Roll it gently into a round paratha. Heat a pan over medium heat. Place the paratha on the hot pan. Cook until light golden spots appear. Flip it over and brush with a little ghee. And cook both sides well. Your homemade breakfast aloo paratha is ready, soft, golden, and packed with a delicious spiced potato filling. It's the kind of breakfast that makes a simple morning feel special. Serve it hot and enjoy it with your family. Follow Oven Foods for more easy breakfast recipes, delicious snacks, and everyday homemade meals.